What's going on, everybody? Today we're taking a look at this is an older knife, new knife to the channel, although this is an HK mini Incursion. This is also made by Hogue knives, and this is a 295 Tanto blade in black finish, matte gray aluminum handle. So let's get to it here. There we go. Oh, it's in a sleeve. That's kind of cool. Hogue knives. Okay. Now this is the one. I picked this particular version because some of the Hogue's knives have a lot of stuff going on the scales, and I really wanted to keep it as simple as I could. She is a stiff one, that's for sure. There you go. And considering how big the handle is, there's a little bit of a blade and handle ratio issue. And it's not unusual for an OTF to have that. Some of the companies really have challenges when they're really designing a knife. The grip, though, is pretty good. It's got a really nice grip to it. The other Hogue knives, they tend to have more finger grooves down here and some other machining that, I just really wasn't thinking I'd be a fan of. So this, for HK knives, this is actually pretty good. So we got the branding over here, Hogue USA 154 CM, so it's a good steel. Got a nice sharp edge, nice Tanto. The other thing I didn't like about the other Hogue knives is this is kind of a nice drop point Tanto, where a lot of Hogue knives are like spear. They come into a spear. They're more of a spear than they are almost a Tanto. So I kind of picked that for that because what I got coming up with, I have a nice OTF shootout that I'm going to do here very soon. Just waiting on a few more knives to come in for it. Action, very, very crisp, very clean. Got a little wiggle, which you're going to get with an OTF, but not super bad. Like I said, you're going to have a little bit. It's just, I like to just see how much rattling we do have. So pocket clip is reversible on both sides. You can put it on both sides. So that makes it ambidextrous. And yeah, takes a little getting used to, but it's a nice stiff, firm action. Feels good in the hand. Not too small and not too big. Like I said, the only thing that's a little weird is, like I said, the blade to handle ratio. Just kind of seems a little bit awkward. But other than that, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Very nicely made. And we'll see how she breaks in. See if any rattling gets worse. So, yeah, other than that, I don't think it will. It seems to be very well made. So there you guys go. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and so you don't miss the full review. And we always have a lot of content coming up. So we will see you next time on the next video, guys. Have a great day. Bye.